Hello and welcome everyone. I am Prachi Panditya and I'm here with yet another exciting adventure that Physio has embarked on. We're starting a podcast series and I'm kicking it off the pilot episode with who else than Mr. Tushar Bhagat. He's the CEO of Physio and it's we've been brainstorming this for like so long and like that's why I love my work actually. Like I get to implement all the crazy ideas I have back at my desk and like do them. I mean, so it was so important for us to like get out and like get this information out to our clients, distributors, and like what do you think? Like, are you excited? Like,
I'm super excited. Yeah, of course it's excited. We had a lot of things to share, and
Right.
we earlier we were not doing any sharing of something with the partners. So let's share all the information what we have, and this is a good idea what
Yeah.
Prachi had in her mind, that let's do something interactive session or something
Yeah.
to share all the information with our partners.
Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't want to sit through like a webinar or like a lecture for like 30 minutes. I mean, with
Yeah.
this, you can just like listen to like us talking while you're driving or like cooking. Also, if you're driving, please be careful. don't, don't run into another car while listening to us. But
Right.
yeah, I mean, it's super. I'm super excited.
Thank you.
So let's just dive in. Like, how did you come about in the telematics industry? Like, it's a really big word. I mean, can you break it down for us? Like, what are the solutions that you came up with in this industry?
See, we have started in, let's say, I think 6, 7 years ago, and from in the beginning, we had planned to develop something for the GPS tracking, and we had developed a lot of products related to the GPS tracking. And then basically, slowly, we had accommodated a lot of features, and it becomes a complete ecosystem. So then we can say it's a complete solution for the telematics.
Like a complete platform.
Yeah, complete platform.
Like I remember when you started, there were like so many softwares, but like all the features were scattered. And like one big idea behind this was to like get all the features in one, consolidate them kind of into one platform.
Yeah, of course. Basically, when you develop a platform, at that time you cannot deal with one particular industry. You have to deal with multiple industry.
Right.
And if you want to deal with multiple industry, the multiple industry have multiple needs, and there must be a platform must have a capability to satisfy all the needs of different industry.
I mean, I know because I work here, of course, that we serve like more than 20 industries easily. But like, do you want to tell our audiences just like a little bit about the industries that we serve? Like, what are the different kinds of solutions we offer? Say, for example, we serve like healthcare or like transport or like construction, pet care. So like, can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, of course. See, basically, from this during these 7 years, basically we had done a lot of development for a different industry, and then when we have seen all the things, like we are serving more than 20 industry. Like if you start, we have started with the logistic or transport domain,
Right.
and now recently we have completed the product for the healthcare as well,
Right.
and all are related to the telematics.
It-
So it's all together more than 20 industry. I would say, like,
Yeah.
not only 20 industry. There are more than 20 industry where we are serving. Most of the information are on our website as well.
Right, and like when you say tracking, like your mind goes to transportation, but like we're so much more than that. Like we just we are like a management system too. Like we help optimize like daily operations, and it's just fascinating what GPS can do. Like
Yeah.
yeah.
See, when we have started at that time, we had a plan to develop something for the tracking only.
Right.
Like, but when we were doing more and more development, then it's not only a tracking. Like with the tracking application, you can get just location information.
Right.
With the location information, user will not get the complete detail. He needs the analysis. He wants to do the analysis. He wants to have a different analytics. So there must be a system where he can get all the information. Like, not one person can sit at the PC and
Right.
check all the locations or something. There must be something like automatic system where he gets information.
Absolutely.
So getting this idea, we have done our all the development.
Right. I've been throwing easy questions. That's what I feel like. Like it's going too well. But no, like on a serious note, and I'm sure you must have gotten this question like by many people, like why start in Valsad, like a small town in south of Gujarat nobody's heard of, Like when you think about Gujarat, you either think about Ahmedabad or Surat, and then you just skip over to Mumbai. Like nobody cares about Valsad. So like, why start in Valsad? Like, what motivated that?
There was no motivation basically. When we have started at that time, every company which starts at that time, the issue with the fund always there. So when we have started, we had a problem as well. And Valsad is basically a very economic town, and of course we started in Valsad because of the fund. But when we started, after that, we got an experience that we are really getting a good people, like reliable people. Reliability is there. So the experiment was good. I hope.
Yeah, and I mean, like, even when we are in Valsad, like, we're dealing with like 60 plus countries. Like, and I like, sometimes I think like the location doesn't matter. Like, it's the hard work and persistence. Like, everything boils down to that.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah. It doesn't matter the location basically. When you have a good product, basically the people want to have your product, not they want to see like where you're working.
Absolutely. So I think this is what like our podcasts are gonna be like. You know, this is just like a little taste we're giving to our audience of what's coming next. But like, please stay tuned and like listen to us talk about and like, you know, make fun of each other and like do goofy stuff and like, we'll be.
There are a lot of things to come, like in our podcast. Like we would like to share a lot of information about Physio, what we had done already, or what we are going to do. So it's beneficial for all of you.
I want to thank our audiences again, and like I want to thank you for like starting this off. I think it's gonna be great, and we're gonna have fun.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Thank you.